Modern life is really good at keeping us awake. Sometimes the lights go out and the mind goes on. Maybe your social feed is keeping you up, or tomorrow's to-do list. Your partner, your roommate, or your neighbor. But Sleep by Headspace makes room for sleep to find you. No matter what's going on in your bedtime mind, you'll find something to soothe it. Whether that's dreamy sleep music, relaxing nature sounds, immersive sleepcasts that tell a new story every night, or quick mental exercises for winding down. Whatever kind of mind you've got, put your mind to bed with Sleep by Headspace.